Hey guys, what's up? Out here, it's humid. All right, so today we're gonna test out the Harbor Freight welder. If you look over there, there's a Harbor Freight. Trust me, I'm gonna open my own business pretty soon. Right now I'm working for a company. Have your safety protections. Also, never weld on a piece of wood because it can catch on fire. My normal welding gear. No, I am not what you guys are probably gonna think after I put this on.
A knight in shimmering armor.
It was a nightmare. It was a nightmare.
Flag is hot. Okay, so being that it is a Harbor Freight welder, so you guys see what a Harbor Freight welder does. See what I'm saying? See, it looks good. All right, now we're gonna lay down the third beach welder. See right now, I just ran it and it didn't shut off not once because metaphorically, you're not gonna run it to the duty cycle unless you're doing a big project and you're constantly welding. But I'm gonna let this cool off. Now the weld is not bad. We're just gonna cut this one out because it's not the best. But guys, this is the welding machine for Harbor Freight. Only $214. It should be. We are reviewing the Power I MIG 275S. But the only thing is, we're only gonna review the stick part until I get my gas. All right, guys, direct your attention to the screen and power on. That's a good industrial size welder. Okay, so we're gonna put on our safety equipment and we're about to select a mode. Guys, go to Jackson testing out the stick welder in my backyard. This is called backyard welding to all you welding fanatics. We're gonna place the electrode in the holder and we're gonna run probably about 3 passes. All right, guys, so here we go. About 116.